Hello there guys, so today I'm doing a review on the WINIX A332 Air Purifier. Now this is a cylindrical model air purifier. It has a true HEPA filter with 99.97% rating and a room size recommendation of 45 meters squared. It has certified by a few different companies, which is always good to see. And I think the CADR and stuff like that, I think it's verified as well, which is good. So there's no nonsense going on there compared to some of the sort of crappy air purifiers you can get. Now, it has a few different filters. So it's a 4-stage filtration. It's got the pre-filter, the HEPA filter. It's got the plasma wave, which is kind of like an ionizer. It is an ionizer, but it generates positive ions as well. And it's obviously got the carbon filter as well. It's got an air quality indicator, sleep mode, and all the usual shebang. Now, in terms of functionality, so first of all, I'll show you how to put the filter in. So it's just so the filter goes on the bottom here, and you've got this pre-filter mesh, which you're supposed to clean every few weeks, I think. And the filter itself is rated for, they say that it will last a year. Personally, I think maybe replace it before then, because the carbon filter probably realistically won't be much use after a few months. Now, in terms of the usability, so you have this ring here that just lit up. So the blue means good air quality, orange means medium, and red means bad air quality. There's no like specific number on this model. It's very basic in terms of that, but it does give you at least an auto mode with some kind of air quality. And obviously you can disable auto mode. That's what I've just done there. And it will run in manually. Speed 2, speed 3. Obviously, speed 3 is quite loud. That's the same with any air purifier though, really. But yeah, auto mode is what I leave it on. It has sleep mode as well, which disables the lights completely. Unlike some models of air purifier, like the Philips. When you use sleep mode on the Philips, there's still a blue light. It's a reduced intensity, but it's still there. Which I'll try not to rant too much about the Philips, but yeah, the Philips 800i is what I had before this, and I had to send it back because it's just really, I really didn't like it. Like, the Philips has no manual modes, it has auto or turbo, and yeah, it's just, I don't like that. Whereas on this, the auto mode is slightly louder on this, but also on the Philips it was buggy. Like, the fan would go on and off, and it would create like a clicking sound, which I'm told is like very common on Philips. Some of the Philips models don't even have carbon filters, which is another sort of thing that really annoys me. Like, I find that pretty ridiculous. In terms of the plasma wave, I leave it on, and I usually I'm against ionizers. Like, I don't use an ionizer. I have another air purifier, and I always disable the ionizer. On this, I leave the ionizer, the plasma wave on, and I haven't had any problems. And I've read similar sort of stories on Reddit where, you know, people tolerate plasma wave much better, and some people just leave it on, and they've left it on for years and they've never had a problem. So I leave plasma wave on. It does seem to I think anecdotally that it seems to improve the air quality a little bit compared to having it off. And people that have walked into this room have also said that it smells fresher as well, which I think is possibly because of the plasma wave. I don't know. But yeah, I leave it on, and I think that it's worth, you know, it's a feature that's there. You may as well use it if you can tolerate it. If it improves the air quality, then why not? So that basically concludes this review of the WINIX A332. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. See you soon.